Welcome back, everybody. Today we are going to try to clear up this emissions problem. We've got a high idle going on, so we've got a few hoses that we're gonna replace. We're gonna clean the throttle body as well. Hopefully that'll do it, and then we'll put some miles on it to try and get a past emission so we can get it tagged, because rally cars need to be tagged due to the transits between stages. So we're gonna get after it, and hopefully we'll be driving by the end of the day. Well, there's a massive hole right here from the mounting bracket. So could be part of our vacuum leak. Could be a problem, like literally. And that's gonna cause way more airflow to go in, which is gonna cause a higher RPM. Much higher RPM. So let's pull this off. Yeah, it's not gonna work. Okay, I'll just pop it off then. Here, get that little tab right there on the right side. Yep, push that in. Nope, right there. There you go. Sweet. Boom. Honestly, I don't even know what this is. Maybe some sort of expansion chamber. But two of our mounting brackets were sheared off, and actually this one left about a 2 to 3 inch hole around the entire thing. And so we just used some of the high heat epoxy to reseal them. And we're hoping that this might be one of the issues that is causing us to have a high idle RPM. So we're gonna take the throttle body off today. Aaron's working on that right now. We'll place some hosing, fix this, remount everything, and then hopefully we'll get rid of our high idle engine code and we'll be able to pass emissions. Alright, now I'll get these other two mounting brackets off. And now some needle nose pliers. Oh, pliers. Ah. Nope.
A few moments later.
All right, so try to get in here, get this little clamp guy. All right, let me go around here real quick. All good. You're gonna grab some wooden sticks to do epoxy with. Heard? All right, so right here we have our previous owner did a little aftermarket blow off valve. So this is the piece. As you can see, it's pretty nasty, pretty rotted. Got quite a bit of cracks in there. So we're gonna replace this guy with some new hose that we got today, and see if this helps our high idle issue. All right, so let's get that off, and let's go grab the new hose. And where could that have been put? Right here. Look at that jack, man. Sexy. All right, we'll give ourselves some extra room. Should be able to get a nice, clean. Oh yeah. Yeah. Just like that, folks. Easy peasy. Should be about the right size. So let's put our little guys back on here. And let's do it. Figure out where the other one goes. It's like this. Oh, up here. Like that. All right. Probably won't be able to get the top one on, but I'm gonna try. This stuff is freaking amazing.
Yeah.
It's probably giving us cancer, but it's awesome.
What's not giving us cancer? All right, hose 1 done. Or hose clamp 1, I suppose. And tighten this guy. Okay. Hose is complete. Now for the throttle body.
There's a high chance this doesn't hold. There's a small chance it does. And, you know, I'm here to take chances. We just let that sit for the rest of the day.
The rest of the day?
Well, until we're ready to put it back in.
I'm about to say.
I don't know how fast it cures though. I think it's a while.
This girl's gonna pass emissions today. Enough.
Oh, that one takes some force to get off too. Oh, that gyrating motion.
Just gotta gyrate.
Practice.
Just gotta gyrate a bit.
Could you go hit the gas?
Sure.
Let's just, I guess we should just, let's just clean it and clean it from here. Yeah, I kind of got it jammed open, so we should be able to get a good clean on it.
Good cleanse. Well, in that case, I'm gonna put this bolt back in then.
Yeah, do it. Carbon choke.
Spark clean.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, bud. Looky, looky. Ooh. It's a lot better.
Much better.
Let's do the bottom side. All right, I think that's as good as it's gonna get.
All right, that one's tight. All right, now we can put the tube back on that we first dealt with. This little guy. Okay, beauty. Do. All right, there we go. That's on that plumper. Ah, beauty. Let's get this guy back on here. Just like that.
Oh, she's filthy.
Give us some juice.
Yeah, this is the exact same filth as the other one.
Clean your sensors, people. Do it.
So we'll clean the whole thing while we're at it.
Yeah, might as well.
I'm just gonna let her dry out. It literally will take like 30 seconds to a minute for it to dry out.
1, 2, 3. See that sky today? Talk about blue. It is a nice day.
Oh yeah. I went to good golf today.
Feels like 5 degrees cooler.
Like last Saturday.
F me up.
Yeah, like look how much cleaner that is.
Oof.
See that? No grime in there no more. She nice and clean.
There you go, sir.
Thank you, sir. Hunt's cleaning service.
Figure it out together.
Learning. All right. Map sensor is back in.
All right. So that's super simple.
Anyway, did some good cleaning. Fixed our exhaust a little bit. What else did we do? That's kind of about it. Fixed our airbox. Got it nice and tight, sealed. So now just time to drive it for 700 miles till it can pass readiness, whatever that means.
Okay, never mind. This guy's just gonna whip it around me. Do your thing. Glow.
Do your thing, bro. Alright. Fucking idiot. Nissans, bro. I swear.
It was barely up, okay?
Nothing to see here, people. Yeah, I did that a few times yesterday too.
Every Saturday are just grinding yard work.
Beauty! Solid drives.
Good stuff. I think today went extremely well.
I would have to agree.
Extremely well.
Very good day.